Hi, this is Shridan. Welcome back with another video. I hope you all doing well. So today video is all about how we can write the meta title and meta description. If somebody don't know what is meta title and meta description, so first I'm gonna tell you what is meta title and meta description and why is it important. So first I just search about thing like I search about e-commerce website, and I search about what is e-commerce website, what is e-commerce. Okay, so as I search about what is e-commerce website, as you can see beside the ads, this one, how to build an e-commerce website, this is called meta title. And the description right here, an e-commerce website is one that allows people to buy and sell physical goods, services and digital product over the internet rather than so on. This is called the description. So totally it depends like that. Sometime we obviously we write that the description of the our website pages or blogs, but sometimes the Google it changes changes this according to the users searching. Okay, so it depends also Google. If I search about something else, as you can see here, you can see here right the how to build an e-commerce website. Beside that I write what is e-commerce website, and as you can see an e-commerce website is one data low. I got my answer. Okay, so this is how Google work on meta title and meta description. So now the second thing, how we can write this one. For example, this one is my blog. Okay, this one is my blog and I want to write the meta title and meta description of this blog. So how we can write that? First you have to install a plugin that is called the Yoast plugin. That is a SEO plugin where only you can write your meta title and meta description. Okay, as you can see the why over here. So if you scroll it down, you can see the Google preview. Okay, as I open that, so you can see that there is also auto created by this plugin is what as an e-commerce website and how to build it. This one is a good keyword. If you want to write something else, you can also write. Uh, that is obviously what is your keyword, key intention, and what you want to provide on your blog. So basically, this is like that. And that one is my website name. Obviously, it is auto created by this plugin. So your website, so this plugin is automatically write your website name over here. Okay, so this one please provide a meta description. This one is the place where our meta description is written. Okay, so as you can see this one has your title that is also called slug, that is also uh, auto write it. You can also write by yourself by doing this. Okay, and here you write meta description. So as you can see our first line is what is e-commerce website. So obviously we have to write about what is an e-commerce website. So I copy this one heading and write on meta description. So you can also scroll down and write here. Okay, so you can also do that. As you can see this one is the orange or brown, that's mean the meta description may be short or long. So what you have to do, okay, just do it shortly or something like that, so it will be good like that. As you can see we did this and our SEO is on good state now. See, this is how it's work. Okay, let's update. As you update it, you can see your meta description and meta title is ready now. So this is how it's work. I hope this video is gonna help you and you will know about the meta title and meta description, because this is the most important thing. So if you have any query and concern, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.